please don't come at me. And also, but one thing that I can clarify from my side, guys, one thing that I can clarify, Shion, that's my friend for a very long time. Please, can we I'm going to say this here for the last time because I feel like I've never said it properly before. Can we please stop making insinuations that we are dating and whatnot? No, we're not dating. He's not even my friend, he's my family. So let's just stop that. And if you don't want to stop it, you can continue, but don't say I didn't tell you. I hope you're happy. But I've never had to tell you Kale was my brother. I've never had to tell you Kieran was my brother, or Jessie was my sister, or Therese that doesn't look like me is my brother. I've never had to tell you that. And I'm not going to say it again. I'm never going to say it again. Never. I'm only saying it because I know people have been confused and it's people that have been supporting me. Shion is my family. It's my family. Shion is Mufasa. He's Mufasa.
What was the main reason for you and Sweet Kuluva to break up?
I knew it. Anyway, well, I don't back down from any question. So I'm going to just say that Sweet Kuluva broke up with me. The man. I didn't break up with him. So obviously I was forced to go with it. Yeah.
So he broke up with you? Mm-hmm. Why? What is the main reason?
You see, I think that I'm a fan of Sweet Kuluva.
Yeah.
And I was in love with Sweet Kuluva. I'll still say I am in love with Sweet Kuluva. But I don't and I like Sweet Kuluva. I don't particularly like Akuna Matemba. But I love Akuna Matemba and I still am in love with Akuna Matemba.
I said, give me 100,000 and I'll attend as a Black Friday special. They said they can't. So I'm like, also me, I can't because I'm busy. 100,000 was a Black Friday special. 100,000 wasn't my rate. If they didn't want to pay off before Black Friday, but they still needed me, I was gonna ask for 500k. My presence and my time is very valuable. Ashes.
Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho. It's about Ashley Algal, guys. So Ashley, remember last year they had a reunion, Big Brother reunion. She didn't attend that reunion, and one of the reasons, or the main reasons, was she said she demanded or she wanted 100k. Then she gave Big Brother a Black Friday special 50k. Big Brother refused to pay her that man. But now people, they are saying because there are allegations that she was pregnant and she gave birth now, the reason Angazang attended the Big Brother thing is because they got pregnant and they got bonagala. Do I believe she was pregnant? 100% so. Because if you look at the video, the first video, where the spots where you could see that is umkhaba, no, unless unona ngendlela wrong. That is isisu lesa bazala bam. Isisu lesa. Do I feel like Ashley, she's a grown woman, she has a lot of money, and she has proven to us one thing about her, she's a hardworking woman. She's one person who didn't win the Big Brother thing, but now she's a millionaire. She is working hard, guys, and I don't know who's the father of the baby, but I do know who's Aksu Sweet Kuluva, because Sweet Kuluva, if you count the months definitely Sweet Kuluva can't be the father. Not unless we banokuhlangana, guys. Not unless we banokuhlangana endaweni zabo la bahlangana khona. But I do feel like we should just give Usisi a break. And if unayo mntana, congratulations to Ashley. Ayikho into esindayo lapho. Mina, I'm not against abantu abanabantwana banemali. I'm against abantu abanabantwana then they can't afford abantwana babo. But mzala bam, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.